It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I can make things clear.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys my full wash day routine after 2 months of protective styling. If you're interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So I ended up trying out some boho braids on my natural hair. I have a video on that on my channel. If you guys haven't checked that out already, then I'll leave a link in the cards above. So I installed those braids into my hair, and then I went ahead and removed those braids out of my hair the day before, and that's why you see my hair is in twist right now. So each individual braid, after I unraveled them, I just went ahead and twisted my hair up to save some time in this video. So now I'm just unraveling the twist, and I'm going to be detangling my hair. I am using the VO5 Kiwi Squeeze conditioner, and I just like using a cheap runny conditioner. I notice it gives my hair a lot of slip, and I'm able to detangle my hair much easily. I also like using a detangle brush and just really taking my time to just detangle my hair. So I saturate my hair with the conditioner, and then I go in with the detangle brush, and I start at the bottom of my hair, or the ends of my hair, and then I work my way up. So after detangling each section, I go ahead and plait my hair about a quarter of the way down, and I do this so that way when I shampoo and condition my hair, it will prevent my hair from becoming tangled again. After completely detangling my hair, I went ahead and washed out the conditioner, and then I followed up with my shampoo. I shampooed my hair 3 times, and then I followed up with my conditioner. So the products that I'm using in this video are a part of my hair care line. So if you guys don't know already, I have a hair care line by the name of Creole Lily, and the website is creolelily.com. The link is always in the description box. So as some of you guys may know already, we kind of took a break for the holidays, and then we are also working on restock. So for those who are familiar with my hair care line and who have purchased my hair care products, I just want to say thank you so much for your purchase and supporting my business. It's truly appreciated, and I thank you very much. We are currently working on like a rebrand. We have new labels, we have new bottles and jars, and we're coming out with new products. And I'm going to be introducing those products in this video. So when it comes to the new products, they're not the same, but they're not completely different either, if that makes sense. So what I ended up doing was, before I was trying to create collections to kind of help people with certain problems that they were having with their hair. So for example, like the strengthening collections were to help people who are dealing with like breakage, who is dealing with like heat damage, who is dealing with like just kind of weak hair strands. And then when it came to the hair growth collection, that was to help people who are dealing kind of with like stagnant hair growth. And then when it came to the hair thickening collection, that was to help with people who are dealing with like thinning hair, or you know, split ends that was making their hair appear thinner, just things like that. So instead of me having 3 different oils, which were the fenugreek and aloe vera serum and the henna hair growth oil and the OGG hair thickening oil, I went ahead and combined all 3 of those oils together and created one oil. And then I also added more herbs into it, and then I also added more oils as well as essential oils to it as well. So as time goes on, you'll get more details, but yeah, so it's the same product, but it's also different, if that makes sense. So also when it came to like the hair butters, I had 3 different hair butters. You know, I had the Ardaveda hair butter, I had the horsetail hair thickening butter, and then I also had the aloe vera cream butter. And I combined all 3 of those butters together, and once again I've added more oils, I've added more herbs and things like that. So it's the same, but it's not the same, if that makes sense. So the first product that I'll be introducing to you guys is the Cucumber Mint Hydrating and Restorative Hair Mask. So this hair mask is our deep conditioner. It is infused with botanical extracts and vitamins. Your hair will feel it working immediately. The purpose of this product is to increase blood circulation to the scalp and add moisture to the hair while repairing problem areas without buildup. This deep conditioning product works great for those wanting healthy, longer, thick, and shiny hair. It is vegan free, it is clean and cruelty free, and it is color safe. Also, it is free of sulfates, silicones, parabens, mineral oils, and artificial fragrance. All you want to do is just apply a generous amount of the conditioner to your hair and then comb through to ensure even distribution from roots to ends, and then place a plastic cap over your hair and sit under a dryer for 15 to 30 minutes. If you have low porosity hair, I definitely suggest not skipping that step, or you can also use a hair steamer. This will definitely allow the conditioner to better penetrate your hair shaft. And then you want to rinse out the conditioner with warm to cool water. So after rinsing out the conditioner, the next product I'll be using is our new Blueberry Frankincense Growth and Strengthening Hair Mist. So this hair mist will be replacing our Aloe Hibiscus Curl Refresher, but it does still contain rose water, aloe, and also MSM. Our lightweight water-based hair mist acts as a great hydrating leave-in and leaves your hair smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, reduces dandruff, and conditions the hair. It also acts as a hair stabilizer to help balance hair pH. Apply hair mist to wet or dry hair. Spray it throughout your entire head of hair from root to ends, and do not rinse out. You can use twice a week or as often as needed. The next product that I will be using is a completely new product. This is going to be our first leave-in cream. It is the Vanilla Patchouli Moisturizing Leave-In Cream. This leave-in cream helps to provide hydration while banishing dryness and repairing hair strands. It will also lock in extra moisture, providing long-lasting hydration and protecting the hair. It also improves hair elasticity. Just apply a generous amount to wet or dry hair. Gently work it into your hair with an extra focus on the ends. After applying the leave-in cream, I went ahead and added some heat protectant to my hair, and I went ahead and blow dried my hair, as well as added some wand curls to my hair. If you guys want to see the full routine of me blow drying and adding some wand curls to my hair, I do have a video on my channel already. I'll go ahead and link that in the cards above. So the last thing that I'll be applying to my hair is the Henna Rosemary Nourishing Hair and Scalp Oil. It is an all-natural pure oil that has been infused with over 60 herbs. This extra strength formula promotes hair growth, directly penetrates the scalp, assists in improving follicle health. The natural properties found in henna helps to curb hair fall while also preventing and correcting hair thinning. Rosemary helps to improve hair problems such as hair breakage, length retention, and stagnant hair growth. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to head over to our website to sign up for our email list. to be notified when these products will be releasing, or you can follow us on Instagram so that way you can get notifications on when we'll be releasing these new products. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.